I grew my Instagram literally from 0 to 400,000 followers, and I've been testing so many different type of things, videos, reels, trials. But if I have to go back on 0, this is exactly my game plan. Number 1, I would pick 3 content pillars. If you're into fitness, 3 pillars could be diet, strength training, and sleep. What I would do in the next 30 days is I want to commit myself to post once a day in the next 30 days. I would go 10 content on sleeping, 10 content on diet, 10 pieces of content on strength training. And then after the 30 days, what I would go is I would look back into my month and look into my videos that I have, the one that performed the best, right? Let's say one of the strength training videos is doing so good. I will double down into that topic, and also I double down into a different kind of format. I play along with it. Let's say one video with the format of sleeping before midnight versus sleeping at 3 a.m. Maybe it's just like a comparison piece of content, right? And then that video did so well, then I would just keep doing that. Maybe I just wear different clothes, maybe I change the caption, maybe I change the hook a little bit, but I will double down into that content into the month number 2. Now I would go heavily on trial reels, because at that point I would try 3 different versions of sleeping before midnight versus sleeping after midnight, but I would put like 3 different hooks. I put them all on trial, see which one do it better. It's kind of like an A/B testing. And also at the meantime, I would remix the content that did very well on last month. I would just click the button remix on Instagram. It's super easy. And then just toggle on trial reel. Because that piece of content is already proven to be the best content on the last month. Now I'm just basically post it on the next month. With all the new audience, right? Because what is trial reel, right? It's only show for non-followers. So that means that piece of viral content for your audience, now show it to all the non-audience. So that's basically a game plan. You want to start with your 3 pillars, and then you want to double down on the content that's working. And then in the meantime, you want to test like a lot of trial reels. If the trial reel is available for me on the 2nd month, I'm probably going to post like 90 posts, because I want to grow very fast. Basically like 3 posts a day. It doesn't mean that I create 3 posts a day, right? It means that 1 post, I could make 3 variation on editing, maybe different hooks, maybe different B-rolls, and then I'll make it happen. Now, one of the things that is very important, and I've been talking so many times, is that you want to have a B-roll library of yourself. It will save you so much time, and it will make your content so much more interesting than if you just have to sit down all the time and create the new content every single day, every single week. That's not the best thing, right? So what you would do is have a B-roll of yourself and keep it simple. Like your B-roll doesn't have to be like something like extraordinary, like beautiful looking or cinematic looking, anything like that. It's literally just what you do every day, right? So if you grab a coffee, if you're drinking coffee, then just shoot yourself drinking coffee. If you're talking to clients, talking to your family, have a phone in front of you and just record it. And be creative about this too, right? Like if you feel sad, if you feel disappointed because your video get only 69 views after 6 hours of editing, then record yourself like disappointed, or like just act out a little bit. But then the point is, you want to record a library of yourself, a different emotion, right? Like you want to have you looking happy, you looking excited, you looking upset. So then you have B-rolls of library of yourself. So that way, every time you have an idea, it's just so fast to execute, because now you have all the footage on your folder. So you basically just put the B-roll on, add the caption, put like a trending music on top of it, and post it. My video that got 83 million views and over 3 years of watch time on Instagram, that's exactly how I do it. Just have a B-roll of myself with the caption and then a trending song. The highest video on my TikTok, which is like I think 3 million views or something, it's also the same way. Just have a B-roll of myself with the caption. Now another thing you can do is you can go into edit or CapCut, look for the viral templates, right, or trending templates. Use that trending templates and just add your B-roll on top of that, and you call it a day. It's so easy, it's so fast. It's like 2 minutes, you make a video in 2 minutes. And that's why you can post 3 times a day, or maybe even 10 times a day if you want to, because now with trial reels, you literally can post 10 times a day. Now you probably hear a lot of gurus talk about all these tactics and stuff and technique and data and analytics. And honestly, right now, I think a lot of people just get confused, because you learn from so many people, so many gurus, and they talk about different things, and things change quite often, especially on social media. It changes every single day. So if you still use the tips that someone showed you a month ago, it's not going to work today. If there's one skill that's really valuable, if you can be really good at it, I would say it's hooks. Master your hooks, because the first 3 seconds decide everything. No matter the short form or long form, you want to be good at it. And the best way to improve your hooks is actually doing research. Going to websites, going to YouTube, Instagram, and figure out what hooks people use that already go viral. Look at the outliers, right? If you look at the creator, right, that have videos that usually have 1,000 or 2,000 views every single time they post, and they have 1 or 2 videos that get 100,000 views, they are outlier. So you can study those outliers. You can study the hook that they already use and use it for your content. Just talk about your own niche and your advice, but you can use the same hook that they have. Before we end this video, I want to say one of the biggest things that stop people from posting or making content is that you're trying to be a perfectionist. If you just start making content today, stop being a perfectionist, because who is perfect in this world? Nobody. You just have to click record, you can click post, and then you can keep trying. That's why I love trial reels, right? It just gives you a chance to try more stuff. I think in this life, we just need to keep testing things instead of trying to be an expert in day one, which is impossible, or try to be perfect because of your insecurity. Might as well just try things, right? So if you are worried people talk about you when you post content, then start a new page. Don't follow any of your friends. Just keep it a secret and just keep posting, because nowadays social media, they really reward testing. So you should go out there and test and do more videos. And I hope this helped, and talk to you soon. And if you like this video, make sure to check out this one as well.